flight controls check, flight instruments. Okay.
Okay.
Just make sure your map data integrity is okay. You're seeing the correct flight path to where you want to go.
Okay.
All right. Okay, and the PFD is showing you everything is correct.
Okay.
Yep, this is runway 03, so just cross check with your compass.
Okay, check.
Alright, so we set the runway heading first. You can set the heading bug. Yep. To the runway heading, okay.
Okay, done.
Alright, good. Okay, so what is your cruising altitude? So flight level 100, is it?
Yeah.
What did you set?
Yeah. Forever 10.
Okay,
10,000 feet.
so 10,000 feet. So maybe you want to set 10,000 here, or if you want to just step climb, then you can set some other altitude. Okay, good.
Okay.
Alright, good. So flight instruments are done. Okay, briefing is confirmed. Flap setting we can configure. Okay, flaps 1. Alright, V1, VR and V2 is set.
Okay.
Okay.
Set.
Is the flex temperature set? Did you do any flex temperature?
Flight temperature.
Let me see. Performance. No. So you didn't enter any flex temperature in degrees Celsius.
No.
Okay. So we'll do full toga.
Okay.
Alright. Okay. So that is done. ATC, we just assume that we are clear for takeoff.
Okay.
Okay. The ECAM memo. Now this one, we don't want any blue items here.
Okay.
Alright. So passenger signs. This is one item which is left. Alright. This one, flick it to on. No smoking. Yep. Okay. That's done. Alright. So takeoff config.
Test.
Okay. Normal. Everything is good to go. Alright. Engine mode selector is normal.
Normal.
Okay. Packs as required. So we just on both the packs.
Okay.
That's not a problem. Okay, good. So we are good to go.
Okay.
So we can release the parking brakes. Okay. Okay, so speed is alive. Okay, 80 knots.
Check.
You might want to give some depth. Yeah. Okay, V1.
Check.
Alright. Rotate. Okay, positive rate of climb.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, make sure you're at 15 degrees. Yeah, just pitch down a bit. Okay. So do you want me to give you radar vectors, or you want to turn yourself?
No.
Okay, up to you. Okay, you can put the levers to climb mode. One more down. Okay. Okay, make sure your bank angle doesn't exceed 30 degrees.
Okay.
Okay, this is 30 degrees. Yep. And your pitch is at 15, so just push down a bit. Okay. Okay. Once the speed goes above the S, okay, you can say flaps retract, so I will retract the flaps. Okay, or you can do it yourself. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so just before we reach the top of this is called the top of descent.
Okay, yeah.
Yep. So just before we reach, I'll brief the approach, and we'll do the approach checklist. Sorry. Okay, so you're drifting a little bit to the left. Okay, so you can get back to track. Just turn right. Okay, so on a typically on a long flight, what the pilots do is every 20 or 30 minutes they cycle through all these system pages just to see whether there's any fault. So if there's any fault, then the items will turn to amber or red color. So everything is green, that means that page is good. All the hydraulic system is good. Okay, so fuel, we are left low fuel on the center tank, so we can actually switch off the
Crossfit.
Yeah, we can do crossfit, or this is the fuel. This one. Okay, so the center tanks, yep, there you go. Okay, crossfit is open, so what happens is, yeah, you can try to do that. But basically this is telling you that there is very low fuel in the center tank.
Yeah.
So the pump is not getting enough pressure to feed the fuel. So we should off these pumps. Okay, what happens if you off the center pumps? So you can press that button again. Okay, then the center pump is pump 1 and pump 2. You can off that.
Off.
Okay, this one should remain auto. Okay. Alright, so okay, nothing happens. That means everything is okay. Okay, so we can just okay, we went into the overspeed region, right? Yeah. So when you do that, that's manual thrust. Okay, so you're on manual thrust now. Okay, let me just switch on the pumps again because they make no difference. Basically, the whole overhead panel should remain on. Yep, the fuel. Sorry. Yep. Okay. Okay. So look at your constraints now. What is your next constraint? I'll just zoom out a bit for you.
Okay.
Okay, so your next constraint is this point,
Yeah.
the initial approach, which is 2500. Okay, so if you're on autopilot, the autopilot will manage the descent automatically. So it will actually descend just very nicely to reach 2500 at this point. Okay, but now since you're doing it manually, so that's fine. Okay. Okay, so let's do the approach checklist since we are already descending. Okay, briefing, let's just say it's confirmed. Okay, we are going to do a full stop. Okay, yeah, there's no touch and go, so that's confirmed. ECAM status is checked. Let's just press that button one more time. Status, yep, normal, okay. So seatbelts are on.
Okay.
So just double check again. Okay, okay, barometer, once the standard starts to flash, then we just push in.
Okay.
Okay, decision height, do you have an MDA?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it? So
200.
200, okay. Height or altitude? So is it MDA or DH? Because there's a difference.
MDA.
Okay, 200. So that's fine. Do you have the charts for Penang?
No.
If not, we can actually follow the MDA on the chart, but it's okay, fine. Alright, so engine mode selector, okay, it's as normal as required, okay. Yeah, so approach checklist done. Okay. Okay. So you know how the range ring works? This is 10 miles.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 15. This is 20 miles. Okay. Okay. Okay, do you know what the green dot speed is? Can you see the green dot on the speed tape?
Yeah.
Yeah, that speed is actually the most economical speed that we can fly on. Okay, so we can slow down to that speed. Alright, I'll just set the... Oh, you're on manual thrust?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So let me just put the speed bug on the green dot. Okay. Okay, good. So landing checklist, we just put the gears down, alright.
Okay, now.
Speed brake is armed, flaps are full.
Okay.
Okay, speed is adjusted manually, good. So landing checklist is complete, yep. Do you know how to fly the ILS?
Yeah.
Okay.
Too high.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
Oops.
Okay, start turning right, yep.
Okay. Like that.
Okay, good.
Like that.
400,
Speed.
Okay, speed up a bit, speed up a
Okay,
bit.
speed.
Yep.
100 above,
Oops.
minimum,
Okay, landing.
Okay.
Okay, not bad, very good.
Okay.
Almost there.
Rudder to right. Get to be up.
50, 30, 20, retard,
Okay, idle.
Idle.
Yep. Okay, reverse.
Reverse thrust. Knots.
Yep. Okay, below 50 you can put it back to idle. Yep. Okay, yeah, not bad.
Okay.
Good landing.